All right, so you might be asking why we are in purple and our whole clinic is filled with purple all the time. So we're going to interview Ninja about the origins of our purple colour. So where did it come from, bro?
Yeah, well, it's over 35 years in the making. So yeah, I can remember it just became my favourite colour back in high school. Like I was about 13 years old, and we didn't have the computers back then. I'm pretty old, but all my pens I got were purple. Okay, so all my books,
Really?
maths and all that were written in purple. So I stood out back then.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, so just had that purple, and I can remember I just was seeking out purple, and remember coming over to Melbourne, like when I was playing rep basketball back from Tasmania. I remember I bought this. It's like our polos we got now. I mean our hoodies. I bought this purple jumper and I absolutely loved it. You know? And yeah, so it kind of was just my favourite colour. And when it came to business, I just thought, let's use that purple colour because it is unique and it does stand out. And people remember, visually things. If you see it from a distance, you can remember the colour first. It's one of the first things that comes to your mind. So I just made my massage table, my towels, all that kind of stuff purple. My signage, my logos are all purple. So and it's stuck. So 23 years ago, business started with the purple logos and tables and everything. So it's
still going strong.
Yeah.
But it's funny because the more, time goes on now and the deeper we get into our conceptual kind of stuff, there is a lot of metaphysical and conceptual things that align with purple that align with us too. So it's funny because people come and ask, oh, was it because of this or this amazing thing? And it sounds like it could be really applicable because of who Ninja is and who we are now, but I guess it's just grown organically into
spiritual stuff. I loved Deep Purple when I was a kid as well, and Purple Rain, the Prince album. So that colour that he had his purple jacket and stuff. So.
And you mentioned Cadbury before too, that classic rich purple.
Yeah, so I kind of stole their colour as well.
So. What about Barney? Wasn't Barney purple too?
The dinosaur? He's a bit too old for him.
No, there you go. There you have it. That's why we're in purple, and we'll never change. It's really special to us. So.
Yeah, I just love when we kind of have our meetings and we're all kind of repping the purple, and we walk down the street. Most of them are barefoot and wearing the purple with like the purple army.
It's weird because I went to a high school that wore purple blazers, and so it's so weird. I've been in purple my whole life.
Yeah.
So it's just
synchronicity
crazy.
there.
I knew before I even knew.
Yeah.
That's cool. There you go. Get some purple clothes, eh?